This exceptional 3 parcel property offers road frontage on 2 roads, providing unmatched accessibility and flexibility. A picturesque cabin currently sits on the property, but the open space is perfect for building your dream home. Enjoy a cleared field ideal for gardening, a food plot, workshop, or a storage shed. The property is surrounded by mature timber and abundant wildlife, making it a hunter's paradise. City water and electricity are already connected to the cabin. This property offers the perfect blend of seclusion and convenience. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.